This is a 24 doors puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in this video. The 24 doors puzzle was designed by Jean-Claude Constantin, a famous French puzzle designer who lives in Germany. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And if you like the 24 doors puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and click the subscribe button to access more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve this puzzle. The 24 doors puzzle has 6 parts and a frame with 24 numbers engraved on the bottom of the frame. You have to choose one of the numbers that you will leave uncovered, any from 1 to 24. For example, we will have 4. I will show you only one solution and you can try to figure out the rest of the solutions. So if we want to leave the number 4 uncovered, you put this piece here, then you put this piece right here. This small piece, which looks exactly the same from both sides, you put right here on top. And you have to put the parts in a very precise way, since, for example, if you put this piece right here, it fits nicely, but if you move it just one step like that, it doesn't fit already. So you have to put the parts in a correct way. Then this piece goes here, and the last piece goes in here, and as you can see, all parts are inside the frame, and we have one number uncovered. Now you can dump the parts from the frame and try to solve it again, but leave the other number uncovered. If you like the 24 doors puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca.